Hi, I'm Darnita Williams, the media specialist at New Manchester Elementary School. I wanted to troubleshoot with you or just assist you. This tutorial is just how to navigate in Google Classroom and how to join a class because you have a Google Classroom code. So there's two different apps that you guys probably will be using with your teachers. That's Google Classroom and Google Meet. So, and you have codes for those two. So that's why I'm saying those two. You have access to all of these apps. So I'm just distinguishing though between Google Classroom and Google Meet in terms of a code that you would need. So first, to access Google Classroom, you would just search. You could type in Google Classroom. It's going to populate a pop-down window with choices. You want to choose Google Classroom or you'll see it here. You click on it. Now, if you cannot access from this point, then it's some other technical issues that's going on which have to do with you maybe authenticating that you are who you are by going to google.com and adding your student account to Google. All right, that's another step which I'll walk you through. It's under the frequently asked questions, and I have a video that I've shared with you for that. But for now, this is just to navigate in and out of Google Classroom and how to join. So when you go to Google Classroom, you'll have all of these classes that your students have access to. Okay? Your student has access to classes that their teacher has shared. They may have 2 teachers or 3 teachers. They've shared their classroom, as well as specials, which is technically like 7 classes. Okay? The codes were given to you via Google Doc. I will share that with you here in just a second, but the codes were given to you via Google Doc. All right. Now to join with the code, you would click on this plus button in the corner. You would click join class and you would put in that code for whichever class that you have a code to join. You'll put the code in, and then you will join it. Now, once you join the class and all the classes that you have the join codes for, you have access to that class from that point on. So you won't have to go through joining a class over and over again. Once you've joined, you have access to that class. Okay? Now, once you're in the Google Classroom, you just look for your teacher that you're having to do class with. And I'm going to select my class, which is New Manchester's Media Center, NMES Media Center. And you're going to find instructions on how to do my class through classwork. And it's going to be per grade level. We did kindergarten last week. This week it is 2nd grade. And next week I'll have something up for third, and then 4th, and then 5th. But you'll go to classwork to access that. Now that is not the case for every teacher, but you should be looking on the stream part for information, and they should have instructions on how to access the assignments that they have given you. Okay? Now we're in my class, so how do we get out? We just go over to the 3 lines over here, click on it, and you see how it has the home. So we could access all the classes there, or if you look down, all of the classes that you have access to or enrolled to or have assignments to do in. It'll list for you the to-dos. It'll list for you those that you're enrolled in. They're all right here. Or you can just click on that home. And when you do, you'll see the classes again. So I've just walked you through how to join a class, how to navigate in a class and out of a class. Okay? I hope this was helpful. Have a blessed day.